EV battery fires latest news. A devastating fire tore through a house in Indore recently, killing 8 people, including 2 children. The blaze is suspected to have originated from an EV charging point located outside the house, and official investigation is currently underway. Safety of EV batteries. Lithium-ion batteries common but efficient. Most EVs use lithium-ion batteries similar to those in smartphones and laptops. They offer high energy density and are generally safe when properly managed. Role of Battery Management System (BMS). EVs are equipped with a battery management system (BMS). It regulates temperature and ensures the battery operates within safe limits during charging and discharging. Risk of thermal runaway. A key risk is thermal runaway, where one battery cell overheats. Heat is spread to nearby cells. A chain reaction occurs, overwhelming the cooling system. Fire and toxic gas risk. During thermal runaway, batteries release flammable and toxic gases such as hydrogen fluoride. These gases can intensify fire risk and make incident more hazardous. Overall, inside EV batteries are generally safe, but rare failures like thermal runaway can lead to serious fire hazards if not properly controlled. Cause of thermal runaway in EV batteries. Physical damage to battery pack. Strong impact, especially to the undercarriage, can damage the battery casing. This may puncture or deform cells, leading to internal short circuits and overheating. Overcharging and faulty charges. Charging beyond safe limits can cause charge buildup in unstable areas of the battery. Use of third-party or damaged charger increases this risk. Repeated overnight charging with unsafe chargers can worsen the problem. Manufacturing defects. Rare defects like metal protrusion inside cell can connect positive and negative electrodes. This leads to sudden high current flow, generating excessive heat and triggering thermal runaway. Electrical infrastructure issues. Weak or old wiring and extension cord may not handle sustained current. This can cause overheating during charging, indirectly increasing fire risk. Impact of external conditions on EV battery safety. Heat and thermal stress. High temperature, especially during Indian summers, can strain the cooling system. Parking in direct sunlight or charging immediately after long drives increases thermal stress on batteries. Battery age and maintenance. Over time, batteries degrade internally, increasingly risk. Ignoring warning signs or skipping inspection may hide issues like swelling or chemical breakdown. Risk from flooding. Flood water can enter battery packs, causing short circuits. Several EV fires have been reported days after vehicles were submerged. EV versus petrol vehicle fires. EVs are not uniquely dangerous. Petrol vehicles catch fire more often. However, EV batteries fires burn hotter and faster, are harder to extinguish due to oxygen releases. Firefighting requires large amounts of water or special equipment. Role of surrounding factors. Fire risk can increase due to external elements like LPG cylinders stored nearby, presence of other vehicles, power failure affecting safety systems, example electronic locks. Industry and user measures to improve EV battery safety. Advanced cooling technologies. EVs use coolant channel to absorb and dissipate heat. New systems are being developed where the coolant evaporates to improve heat transfer, helping manage sudden temperature spikes. Safer battery design innovation. Shift towards solid-state batteries using solid electrolytes to reduce fire risk. Improved internal firewalls to prevent fire from spreading between cells if one fails. User-level safety precautions. Use only manufacturer-approved chargers. Avoid unattended or overnight charging with unsafe setups. Ensure home electrical systems can handle high loads. Get batteries checked after impact. Allow battery to cool after long drives before charging and keep charging areas clear. Strengthen safety standards in India. Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) updated EV battery safety norms in 2023. Under AIS 156 standards, battery must undergo test for heat propagation, provide at least 5 minutes for passenger evacuation in case of fire.